वेलकम टू द एरा ऑफ नो पेन नो गेन, जहाँ जिम सिर्फ एक प्लेस नहीं, एक फुल ब्लोन पर्सनैलिटी बन गया है. Fitness has become a new religion and Instagram its pulpit. But here's the real question. Are we going to the gym for health or just to become a tripod that is defined by social standards? Spoiler alert. Not everything is fit as it seems. Back in the days, people used to hit the gym for health. But now, if you didn't took a selfie, did you even lift? Locker room selfie से लेके प्रोटीन शेकर पोस्ट सब कुछ एक रियलिटी शो बन गया है. एंड हम सब मोस्ट ट्रेडेड विंस के कंटेस्टेंट्स. पुश हार्डर, नो एक्सक्यूज, ब्रो चिल. कार्डियो के बाद जान है तो जहान है. And let's not forget about brands like Nike and Adidas. Their job is to make us believe that without their $100 plus sneakers, we can't even walk a treadmill. Let me tell you a secret. The treadmill is burning fewer calories than Nike's bank balance. Gym bros, the sacred guardians of the dumbbell rack. इनके लिए bicep curls एक holy ritual और protein powder एक sacred drink बन गया है. But let's face it, their ads are usually sponsored by Photoshop, and the products they sell, protein shake, fat burners and magic supplements, are all only for their profits, not for their health. On one hand, multi-millionaires are preaching the motto health is wealth, but दूसरी तरफ ये टोबैको यानी तंबाकू को इस तरह बेच रहे हैं कि जुबान को केसरी करना नेशनल ड्यूटी हो गया हो. Rich people are doing what they are doing, but the poor people on the other hand are holding in their mouth as if it's a national bank deposit. Sometimes I think घर की रोटी glamorous नहीं है, but really effective है. Fitness apps काफ़ी helpful लगते हैं, but एक दिन इनका fitness session miss करो तो ऐसे notification आते हैं like it's your own critical breakup. You're not taking your goals seriously. I mean, really? एंड यही एप्स सिर्फ आपकी कैलोरीज नहीं, आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज को भी काउंट करते हैं. While you are counting your calories, they are counting your data. And this data they sell for a heavy cash. Fitness apps are like those judgy friends जो सिर्फ आपकी गिल्टी को मोनेटाइज करते हैं. Push through the pain. जिम कल्चर का मंत्र है. But if the pain exceeds your body capacity, डंबल के बाद क्लैप बैक नहीं, pull back चाहिए. And those before and after photos, they are supposed to motivate you. But let's be real, your after looks can be someone else before looks. The fitness industry real game is very clear. Create insecurities and sell you the solution. Unrealistic expectations और Photoshop से बनी ads के पीछे मत भागो. Chase the reality. Reality check करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. फिटनेस ज़रूरी है लेकिन ऑब्सेशन नहीं. स्किपिंग रेस्ट डेज, क्रैश डाइटिंग isn't progress. It's a real sabotage. But fitness companies like Gold's Gym and Equinox ये कन्विंस करते हैं कि उनकी गोल्ड मेंबरशिप के बिना you're not fit enough. रियल फिटनेस का असली मंत्र हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी है. Don't risk your health for just a clown. Have you ever seen those ads? Lose 5 kgs in 3 days? Man, are we talking about some magic beans or really a human being? It's just a clever way to make us believe that we are just one detox drink away from being the very slim of us. These brands love to sell us dreams wrapped in shiny bottles and plastic bags. The ads have went this far that one time I saw one ad that stated lose 3 kgs while you binge watch Netflix. Believe me, the only thing that you lose is your money and also the respect you have for your own self. And yeah, the weight loss pills. Take a pill, sleep, and you will be as slim as your celebrity model. This actually sounds like a bad movie plot, but some people are actually cashing it, and that takes my surprise to another level. We've all seen an ad like this where a man takes a bottle and says, I'll lose 3 pounds in 2 weeks. And believe me, I'll also lose my common sense if I drink one. What they actually don't tell you is the real weight loss that comes after drinking it and starving yourself to 2 weeks. Because none of this makes sense unless it is done. The lesson is simple. Fitness is a journey, not a race. अपनी हेल्थ को अपनी टर्म्स पे समझो, ना कि किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर या कि ऐप की टर्म्स ऑफ सर्विस पे। वर्कआउट करो लेकिन अपने लिए, नॉट फॉर द लाइक्स। Whether you are on a treadmill or just walking in a park, do it for yourself, not for anyone else. That's what truly matters. Let me know if you have met or follow one of these creatures that are described. Gym जाना ज़रूरी है लेकिन ट्राइपॉड मत बनो। Thank you.